We're now going to do some more warming up exercises, but we're going to do it in standing. The most important thing is you find a nice solid surface, and while standing up and walking to this solid surface, I want you to use any walking aids that you require. We're going to start off by holding on, and we're going to start with marching, lifting your knees up nice and high. Kind of like a soldier, nice and high. A little bit faster. Should feel your heart going a little bit. Lovely, okay. Now standing, holding on still, we're going to go up and down on our toes as high as we can. So going up and down. We do 10 of these, that's 2. Imagine someone's putting your head up towards the ceiling, so instead of rocking back and forward, you're going up and down. So you've got 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to do some small knee bends now. So I want the width of your feet the same width as your hips. Your feet must be pointing forwards and not out to the side. Holding on, you're going to bend down, sticking your bottom out as if you're going to sit down on a chair and coming back up. We're also going to be doing 10 of these. Making sure you're not leaning heavily too forward when you're doing this. So 4 more. And last one. Okay, the next exercise is called lunging, but we're going to be lunging in different directions. So, standing with your feet together to begin with, still holding on to your surface, you're going to be stepping forward with your right foot, coming back to the middle, stepping forward to the side, still with your right foot, back to the centre, behind with your right foot, back to the centre. We're going to repeat this on the left side, left foot forward, back to the centre, to the side, back to the centre, and behind. Once more, right foot forward, out to the side, behind, left foot forward, a little bit like dancing, sideways and behind. Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is more of a balance exercise. You need to imagine you're on a tightrope. You're going to place one foot in front of the other so that the heel of your front foot is touching the foot behind. What we're going to do is practice balancing in this position. If you're feeling confident, try taking one hand off your solid surface. Keep yourself stable. For those finding this a little bit easy, try taking off the other hand. Now keep your balance for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back on the solid surface, separate your feet. We're going to repeat this, but place the other foot in front of the other, still imagining that tightrope. And now we're going to test our balance again for 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back on your solid surface, separate your feet. The next exercise is slightly more challenging than the last, and it's also a balance exercise. Bring your feet together, standing on one leg, just hovering the foot slightly off the floor. Now you're going to be testing your balance again, finger touch. You can try with one hand, or if you're feeling confident enough, try with one hand, but always keep them hovered above the solid surface. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back on the solid surface, foot down. Repeat this on the other leg. Hovering that foot in the air, testing your balance again. One hand. If you're able, no hands, keeping them hovered. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back on the surface, foot down. You've now completed our warm-up exercises.